Hey, do you know anything about basic math operations like subtraction, addition, and multiplication?
Yeah, I'm pretty familiar with them. What do you need help with?
Well, I want to practice counting numbers up to 50. Can you help me with that?
Sure. Let's start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, until we reach 50.
Great! Thanks for counting with me. By the way, how do you say 100, 1000, and 10,000 in English?
In English, we say 100 for 100, 1000 for 1000, and 10,000 for 10,000.
Got it! So, 100, 1000, and 10,000. It's good to know those numbers.
Definitely. They come in handy when dealing with larger quantities. Speaking of which, how about we count from 1 to 100, but this time in increments of 10?
That sounds like a fun challenge. Let's do it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Well done. You nailed it. Practicing counting like this really helps with numerical fluency.
I'd like to practice some basic math operations. Can we start with addition?
Of course. Let's start with some simple examples. What's 3 plus 5?
That would be 8.
Great job. How about 12 plus 9?
That gives us 21.
Excellent. Now let's move on to subtraction. What's 15 minus 7?
That would be 8.
Perfect. How about 27 minus 12?
That would be 15.
Well done. Now, let's switch to multiplication. What's 4 multiplied by 6?
That gives us 24.
Exactly right. Now, let's try 8 multiplied by 9.
That gives us 72.
Fantastic. Finally, let's move on to division. What's 36 divided by 6?
That would be 6.
Great job. How about 64 divided by 8?
That gives us 8.
Excellent work. You're really nailing these math operations.